Your filtration expert, so Jiffy, will support you in the maintenance of the filter elements. To carry out a quality professional service, we recommend you have the appropriate tools for the job. Locate and unscrew the air box. Open the air box and remove the airway if necessary. Finally, remove the engine's air filter. Clean the air box and its lid so that the new filter is installed in a clean environment. When installing the new filter, make sure the airflow corresponds to the directions written on the filter. Install the filter into its housing and close the lid to the air box. Reassemble the airway if it was taken off. The air filter must be disposed in the traditional garbage bin. Trust your filtration expert